How to verify identity on Klarna. So if you want to verify identity on Klarna, then what you need to do is you can go with your website, or if you have Klarna application, you can open it. So I'm on a Chrome browser, go with Klarna. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.klarna.com. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and it might ask you to log into your account. So first you need to enter your main country of residence, go with continue, go with sign in, or go with the web version. Now tap on sign in. Now if you don't have an account, you can go and create an account, but if you already have one, then you can just simply go and sign into your account. After signing up through your app or your website, you need to confirm your email and phone number via a 6-digit code, and occasionally uploading a selfie with a government-issued photo ID. You may also need to check or connect your bank account to fully verify your identity for enhanced security. So first, in order to verify your Klarna account, you need to download the Klarna app or visit the official site, enter your email address and your phone number, and enter the verification code sent to you through your email or your phone number. Next, you need to go with your identity verification. You need to follow prompts in the app to scan a valid government-issued ID like passport or your driver's license, and you might also need to take a selfie. After that, you can link a bank account or a payment method. Securely, you need to connect your bank account or your debit or credit card. This is often necessary for credit approval. Using these ways, you'll be able to verify your identity on Klarna account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.